Digital marketing has transformed the way businesses connect with customers. By leveraging online channels such as search engines, social media, and email, companies can target specific audiences and measure the results of their campaigns with precision. Skills like SEO, content creation, social media management, and running paid ads are essential for anyone looking to succeed in this dynamic field. At SkillCareer.in, we guide you step by step, helping you master the tools and strategies needed for digital marketing success. In today's world, almost everyone is online, scrolling through social media, searching on Google, or watching videos on YouTube. This is why digital marketing is so important. It helps businesses connect with the right people at the right time using digital tools. Whether it's a small local shop or a big international brand, digital marketing helps them grow faster, reach more customers, and increase sales. With the right skills, you can become a part of this fast-growing industry. At SkillCareer.in, we'll teach you how to use these tools step by step so you can build a successful career in digital marketing. Digital marketing includes many different areas, and each one plays an important role. Let's look at the main types. First, there's social media marketing, where you promote brands on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Then we have SEO, search engine optimization, which helps websites rank higher on Google search. Email marketing is another powerful tool, where businesses send offers and updates directly to your inbox. Content marketing is about creating blogs, videos, or posts that inform and attract people. And finally, there's PPC or pay-per-click advertising, like Google Ads, where you pay only when someone clicks your ad. At SkillCareer.in, we teach you how to master each of these skills and use them to grow your career or business. Digital marketing isn't just a skill, it's a career path with huge demand. Today, companies in every industry need digital marketers to help them grow online. As a result, there are many career opportunities you can explore. You can become a social media manager, an SEO specialist, a content creator, or an email marketing expert. You can also work in paid advertising, affiliate marketing, or even become a freelancer or digital marketing consultant. The best part? You can start your career from anywhere, even from home. With the right training and practice, you can build a flexible and high-paying career. At SkillCareer.in, we help you learn the exact skills companies are hiring for, so you're ready for real-world jobs and freelancing projects. Now that you understand what digital marketing is, why it matters, and the amazing career opportunities it offers, the next step is to start learning and building your skills. Whether you want to get a job, start freelancing, or grow your own business, digital marketing can open the door to endless possibilities. At SkillCareer.in, we provide step-by-step courses, real-world projects, and expert support to help you succeed in the digital world. So don't wait. Start your learning journey today and take the first step toward a future-proof career in digital marketing. Visit SkillCareer.in now and begin your transformation. One of the best things about digital marketing is that anyone can learn it. You don't need a technical background or a college degree. Whether you're a student looking for a job, a housewife wanting to work from home, a business owner trying to grow online, or even someone looking to change careers, digital marketing is for you. The industry welcomes creativity, communication skills, and a willingness to learn. At SkillCareer.in, we've designed our courses to be beginner-friendly, with clear explanations, practical examples, and hands-on projects so anyone, at any level, can start and succeed. Starting your digital marketing journey is simple with SkillCareer.in. Just visit our website, choose the course that fits your goals, whether it's SEO, social media, Google Ads, or the complete digital marketing bundle, and start learning at your own pace. Our platform offers video lessons, downloadable resources, live doubt-clearing sessions, and certification to help you build real skills. Plus, you'll get guidance on freelancing, internships, and how to build a strong portfolio. We're here to support you every step of the way. So if you're serious about building a digital career, start today with SkillCareer.in. Learning theory is important, but real growth comes from practice. That's why at SkillCareer.in, we don't just teach. You also get to work on real-world projects. You'll create ad campaigns, write SEO blogs, design social media posts, and more. These hands-on tasks help you build confidence and a strong portfolio that you can show to employers or clients. Whether you're applying for a job or offering freelance services, having real work to showcase sets you apart from the crowd. Learning on your own can feel overwhelming, but you're not alone. At SkillCareer.in, we offer mentorship and career guidance to support you throughout your journey. Our experts are here to answer your questions, review your work, and give feedback to help you improve. We also provide resume tips, interview preparation, and help you find internships or freelance projects. Our goal is not just to teach. You'll be guided until you're job-ready or earning as a freelancer. Thousands of people are already building successful careers with digital marketing. Why not you? The digital world is full of opportunities, and with the right skills, you can work from anywhere, at your own pace, and build the future you dream of. At SkillCareer.in, we're here to help you take that first step with confidence. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website today, enroll in your first course, and start learning the skills that can change your life. Your digital career starts now. Still wondering if digital marketing is the right path for you? Let's take a look at some real success stories from students who started just like you. Many of our learners have gone on to secure full-time jobs, launch their own businesses, or start thriving freelance careers, all after completing our courses. Whether it's someone who turned a passion for social media into a career as a content creator, or a former marketing newbie landing their dream job at a top company, the possibilities are endless. At SkillCareer.in, we don't just teach you skills, we help you build a successful career. In an ever-evolving world, digital marketing is one of the most future-proof careers you can pursue. With more businesses shifting to online platforms and the world becoming more digital, the demand for digital marketers continues to rise. In fact, digital marketing skills are not only in demand today, they're expected to grow exponentially over the next decade. No matter how the job market changes, businesses will always need talented marketers to connect with their audience, and you can be the one to help them. That's why digital marketing is one of the best fields to get into for long-term stability and growth. At SkillCareer.in, we take a unique approach to teaching digital marketing that focuses on practical learning and real-world application. Unlike traditional classrooms, our courses are designed to be engaging and interactive, with hands-on projects and practical tasks that you can use immediately. You won't just watch videos, you'll actively apply what you learn to build skills that will set you up for success in the digital world. Whether you're learning SEO, social media marketing, or email campaigns, every lesson is crafted to give you the tools you need to succeed and thrive in today's fast-paced digital economy. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. The world of digital marketing is evolving quickly, and now is the perfect time to jump in. The skills you gain today will set you up for an exciting career tomorrow. At SkillCareer.in, we're ready to guide you on every step of your learning journey. With our expert-led courses, hands-on projects, and career mentorship, you'll have everything you need to succeed. So take the leap and join the digital marketing revolution now. Visit SkillCareer.in, enroll in your course, and start building the career you've always wanted. Your future begins today. One of the biggest advantages of learning digital marketing with SkillCareer.in is the flexibility. We understand that everyone has different schedules and commitments, which is why we offer courses that you can take at your own pace. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone with other responsibilities, you can learn when and where it's most convenient for you. With 24/7 access to course materials, you can study at your own speed and revisit lessons anytime you need a refresher. This flexibility makes it easier than ever to start learning and building your career while managing your life. Digital marketing training doesn't have to break the bank, and at SkillCareer.in, we ensure that our courses are affordable while still offering immense value. We believe that everyone should have access to quality education, which is why we've created courses that are both budget-friendly and packed with actionable insights. You get expert-led training, real-world projects, career guidance, and so much more, all at an unbeatable price. With our flexible payment options, you can start your journey without any financial stress and begin investing in your future today.